Welcome back to the Spirited Shop. I am the Spirited Maker, and today we are going to make a birdhouse. A simple design that will be easy to make, and hopefully they sell. So let me fire up the old Spirited Maker CAD. We're up to version 2.1. So let me sketch it out real fast. So the front and back are just going to be a square, like so, or a diamond in this shape. So it will have a roof on it. Let's just make it a little overhang. And it will hang by a chain or string. It will have a hole cut out for the birds to go in and a little dowel for the perch. That's the front view. The side view will look something like this. Now, since it's half of it will be a roof. Not going to be that long though. A little over exaggerated. And in between is a cylinder that the bird can make his, there's the opening, and he can come in here and make his little nest, and it'll be hanging up by a chain or string. So let me get to cutting. We're going to use some of this cedar planking to make it. This stuff smells so good when you cut it or when you laser etch it. Yeah, we may do a little bird and laser etch on it too. We'll see how it goes. So let me mark some stuff out and then we'll cut it. All right, I have these leftover pieces from another project I didn't use, so I'm just gonna square up these for the front face and the back. So, just like that, with the cylinder in between. And I have two of them already for the roof. It'll overhang a little bit. I gotta go find the cylinder though first, so be back. All right, for the cylinder, we have to choose between two options. A PVC pipe, 3-inch, or what I'll probably go with is this corrugated drain pipe, since that'll fill it up more and give the birds a little bit more room. So I think this is what we're going to go with. Let me cut off a section. This is going to be a relatively easy build, but yeah, let's put a bird etch on one of these faces. Probably it'll be the rear face because the front will have the hole for the bird to go in. And here in Lightburn, I have the bird image I'm going to laser etch onto this birdhouse. So let me get it set up and we'll burn it. have our little bird logo. Let's cut the pipe. Alright, I figured we need about a 4.5-inch section of this pipe. So, how are we going to cut it? We're just going to use a razor knife. First, let us mark. So, I'm going to say in this valley. There we go. So, how this will work. This is the cavity for the bird nest, and it will hang like that, but it'll have a roof on it too. So, and that's pretty much what we got to do next. I'm trying to decide. I think I will cut at a center notch. That way, because these will line up nicely on the edges. So what we'll do, we'll fill it with a little fill piece. I also have a dowel that we'll use for the perch. It's a 1/2-inch dowel. Alright. We need to drill a hole in this face. And that is what we'll do next. Let me find my circle cutter kit. Alright, we are going to go with an 1.5-inch hole. That should be big enough for the birds to get through. So I need to mark center. And then I'm going to go up 3/4 from the center mark. Ooh, wrong one. This is the front. So, let's find the exact center. It's going to be somewhere there. Right there. Now, which way do we want up? Let's go like that. Yeah. I'm going to mark. Three-quarters inch up. Right there, that's my hole to drill in. And then we'll put the 1/2-inch hole for the dowel perch. So let me get this on the drill press and we'll cut it out. Alright, I have it set. I've got a sacrificial piece underneath. Let's cut it. Nicely cut hole. Now we need a 1/2-inch for the dowel. Okay. You see my mark? Yes. here. Woo. That'll work. Just sand it smooth. All right. Now we have the front, back, roof, cylinder. About ready to put it together. Let us glue. If I can get the glue out, just dowel in. All right. Give it a few whacks with the hammer. There we go. A little extra glue. Okay, so I'm going to use the piece of pipe as a spacer. What I'm going to do, put a glue strip here on each side, and we'll put the roof on, and I'm going to hold it in place with some pin nails. Okay, that's one side. Two sides. Oh. We're definitely going to center it. Oh. Okay. Go ahead and pop a pin nail. And then we're going to make sure it's squared up. Right there. Right there. That'll hold. All right. I definitely should have thought this through a little better. Okay. This side. It's not really load bearing, it's just a little birdhouse, so it is most definitely not construction code meeting stuff. There we go. And I'm going to be filling the top with another piece. So that is how it is, and it'll be hanging up like this. And cut that last piece and we'll glue it up. All right, we're going to glue this piece in. Pin nail it in both directions. It'll lock it in. All right. Uh-oh. Must be out of pinwheels. Yep. Alright, one last thing. How are we going to keep this in without it coming out? Well, I've got some little shins here we're going to put. Kind of lock it in. Do it like this because I can glue it and pin nail it. That'll keep them. Yeah. Let's look at it like that. Maybe like that. Yeah, let's do that on both sides. That way it'll keep it. From falling out. Get the pin nailer in there. I love this little pin nailer. There we go. Same for this side. Make sure it ain't going all the way through. There we go. Now we just need the hanging pieces so it'll hang, and we have ourselves a birdhouse. Okay, I have inserted 2 eye bolts to hang the birdhouse up with. And we're just going to finish it off with some of this jute string. It's about long enough. twine. Square knot. Cut off some of the excess. Okay. Now we have a way to hang it up. And with that, this birdhouse is complete. Simple. I'm gonna make probably 5 or 6 more to sell at craft shows and all. I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed this. See how easy it is to make a pretty neat looking birdhouse. Thank you for your time, for watching this video. As always, friends, I want to say God bless, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, but you know, all that good YouTube stuff. Later, guys.